Hey there, I just want to give a quick video testimonial of my experience working with the Sergeant so far. I just had them turn on Facebook and Google ads, I believe 5 days ago is when they flipped them on. And I just closed my first sale ever today. Holla. I've never actually closed a lead from Facebook or Google. It's always been from the doors found in the pavement. So this was a pretty exciting day for me, overcoming this mental block about Facebook and selling it that way. So yeah, it's opening my mind up, and I'm looking forward to seeing where we go from here and getting more sales and never knocking doors again. So yeah, it was cool. I showed up yesterday to my appointment. All was booked, automated. It's the only contact I've had so far with any of the appointments. And right off the bat, I believe I told him, yeah, we're just a little small company, but we got a big network. And he's like, oh, you're a small company. He's like, I didn't get that impression. He's like, everywhere I was going on the internet, you were popping up. So I can tell that the Sergeant is very good at Facebook stalking and online stalking, and this is a good thing. So I'm looking forward to what we're going to do.